Oh yeah, because I wasn't sure if those ones are germinated.
Look here, those
Oh,
are,
those ones are. We have to start another row maybe. A little piece of one. I got a bunch over there in the dish. Show me how you're planting. I want to see how you're planting compared to how I'm planting.
What?
Yeah, then we'll see what the difference is. She kind of sort of covers them. Yeah. We're doing pretty much the same thing. Yeah, some have really long roots, so it's hard to figure out exactly how to plant them, but we're planting them. We'll see. Like this one here. Just kind of dig a little trench for it. Get all this in there. And cover up with some nice black dirt. And I'm going to cover the plant too, because I don't want the sun to bleach it tomorrow. Oops.